Hi, this is Amanda Seifert, and I am doing Module 15 for the 5 new technologies. The first website I found is called ClassTag, and honestly, I saw an ad for it on Facebook and just watched the little demo that it gave on Facebook, and it's a really cool website, and that you can use to bridge communication between teachers and parents. The reason I chose this is because I needed a more effective way to communicate with parents. We have a take-home folder that's supposed to get signed and initialed daily, and it doesn't. Lots of times notes are left in the folder for a week on end when the due dates come and gone. So I just needed a more effective way to get a hold of the parents. I know they all have cell phones and access to a computer, and if it's something I'd make sure at the beginning of the year when I got all the parents signed up that they'd have access to this. This site is available on Apple, Android, and a desktop, so it goes with all devices. The audience would be my classroom parents, and the standards that I would use are 3G, the use of digital communication and collaboration tools to communicate locally and globally with students, parents, and peers, and then the digital citizenship, 5C, to model and promote diversity, cultural understanding, global awareness by using digital age communication, collaboration tools to interact locally and globally with students, peers, parents, and larger community. So basically, it had a little easy explanation on the website. The first one is you choose if you want to use it on an app or a desktop. So on the go would be the app, the desktop. Parents don't need to download anything. Then you customize your classroom. You can set hours, all different kinds of information about you, and then the final step is to invite the parent. So what I did is I kind of already created an account, as you can see here, and then there's a demo you can watch, a parent demo. Here there's activities. Let's let it load. You can sign it, assign what to do. On this one there's a directory where it has your students and then their caregivers over to the side. Here you can upload photos that the parents can see. Down here, certain rewards and things like that they can earn. On this one, different stats about where they are with family activity, that kind of thing. A lot of this I'm really not sure about yet because I haven't used it. Weekly summaries, archives, and then there's your class settings. So my name would be here. My grade would be kindergarten, Central Time Zone. We have an 8 o'clock a.m. start. And then it would allow parents to create activities announcements. No, I don't really want that. I'd like them to be able to comment. I don't really want them to upload photos, I don't think. Or I just really want to be able to tell them. Show supply lists, that kind of thing. So at this point, this is my demo class. I'd update my class. So there's my demo. Like I said, I don't know a whole lot about this, but I think it looks pretty cool. I really want to try to use this because I need a better way to communicate with parents.